Hello guys, my name is Balkrishna Srivastav and welcome to Code with BK. So in this video, we write Java code solution for question 3 of ICSE 2024 Computer Applications Specimen Paper, which is this question. So before we begin, it is a request to please subscribe to my channel, because out of 100 viewers, only 1 or 2 are subscribed, and the subscription is very important. So please do subscribe to my channel. So let's begin. So this is the question that you have been given, question 3. Take a minute and give this a reading. So in this case, we have to create a class Eshop. It has member variables, data members as string name, double price. Methods, functions are accept, calculate, and display. And then you have to write a main method to create an object and call the above methods. So I start with class Eshop. Class Eshop. Okay. Data members are string name, double price, private string name, and private double price. Okay. And whenever I solve questions of ICSE computer applications in which you have to create a class, data members always need to be private, constructor and member functions need to be public. Okay, and keeping the name of the data members exactly the way it is mentioned in the question. Okay, then you have public void accept, public void accept. Okay, alright, accept the name and the price of the item using methods of scanner class. So for that we need to create a scanner class object, scanner system dot in. Okay, so you have to read the name and the price. So I am going to prompt for a message system dot out dot print enter a price. Oh, enter a name first, right? Okay, and then I say name, the name of this data member equal to scanner dot next line. Okay, because I expect the name to be input in the entire line, so I'm reading the entire line of input into the name. Okay, and this prompt message is not really a part of the requirement of your question, right? It says only accept name and price. I am writing this line of code because when I test this, I expect the program to prompt for a name and then I type the name. Okay, similarly I'm going to read the price. I'm going to say enter price. Okay, and price is in doubles, so I say price is scanner dot next double. Okay, right, and my accept method is done. The next is this calculate method to calculate the net amount to be paid by a customer based on the following criteria. So public void calculate, right? Yes, void calculate. Okay, so if this is the price, this is the discount, so you have to basically create the final net amount, which is price minus discount. Okay, so if price is in this range, your discount is this. If price is in this range, discount is this, and so on. Okay, so I'll say double discount, okay, is 0 to begin with. Okay, and this will be 5, 7.5, 10 or 15 based upon the price that you have just input from accept. Okay, if price is greater than equal to 1000, 10,000, 1000 and less than equal to 25,000, and price is less than equal to 25,000. Okay, in that case discount comes out to be 5. Okay, else if, now else part will be the case where this condition is false. Next case is if it is greater than equal to 25,001 and less than 57,000. So price is greater than equal to, okay, 25,001 and price is less than equal to 57,000. Okay, so for this next case I do 7.5. Discount is 7.5. Okay, then again another else if is going to be 57,001 till 1 lakh. Okay, 100,000. 1 2 3 4 5 zeros, right? So in that case the discount comes out to be 10.0. I can just say 10. Else if, okay, now I'm doing else if more than 1 lakh. Okay, now I'm not doing this, just else. Just give me a moment. Okay, discount is 50. Okay, first thing, if I don't do this, okay, so suppose if price is 10, so if price is 10, this condition is false, so it comes here. So in that case, this condition will be true because 10 is going to be less than equal to 57,000. But 10 is not greater than 25,001, and that's why we need this condition. Similarly, I don't have a final else here. Okay, I have this condition if, because if again the price is say 100 is not in this range, false, not in this range, false, not in this range, false. So it comes down here and discount becomes 15. Okay, whereas for 100 there should be no discount because that is not in the range. That's why we have condition defined for each if condition in this ladder. Okay, so then you calculate the discount amount. So I say double discount amount. Okay, you can name it as percentage. I've just used discount. It is going to be discount percent off, that is into 0.01, or you can divide by 100. Okay, into the price. Okay, and double net amount is this price minus discount amount. Okay, and that's how you calculate net amount. Okay, so this function is not responsible to return any value because the return type is void. Okay, so the net amount that is calculated locally within this method only, because there is no separate data member for the net amount. Okay, also in the display method, the requirement is to print the name, which we can simply print because we have the name as a data member, and then the net amount to be paid. So this display method has no way to access this net amount to be paid. Okay, because this net amount is calculated here, it is not returned, it is not saved into any data member. So the only way you can print the net amount is call this function calculate from display and display net amount here. Okay, println net amount to be paid. Okay, plus, and you say net amount. Okay, so public void display is going to be, you display the name first. Okay, name, okay, plus name, and then you call this calculate method. Okay, so what is happening in display is you are printing the name and then you are calling calculate. Calculate is calculating the net amount and in displaying the net amount. Okay, the other way could have been, you could have taken another data member, private double net price, something like this. Okay, and you could have said net price is equal to price minus discount amount. Okay, and then here you could have printed, instead of calling calculate, net amount to be paid is net price. Okay, so currently I am going to comment this out. Okay, all right, so we just have two data members as mentioned in the requirements. Okay, so I'm following the requirement as it is, as mentioned, okay, to the letter, and I'm getting the required output. Okay, so let me just create an object, public static void main string args. Okay, so I have eshop. Okay, eshop equal to new eshop, calling the default constructor. Okay, and we have not written any constructor here. Okay, because it is not a part of the requirement. Okay, and that's why calling the default constructor. Then we have eshop dot accept. Okay, I guess we missed the import for scanner. So import java util dot scanner. Okay, and then we have eshop dot display. Okay, now I am not calling eshop dot calculate separately in the main. Okay, because this calculate is being called by display, and I'm doing this because display is supposed to display the name and net amount to be paid, but net amount to be paid is being calculated by calculate, so it has to be called from display. Okay, then I'll comment out this other alternate code and then I'll show you. Okay, compile this. Okay, java question 3, enter name, I'll say Balkrishna my name. Okay, price I'll choose this 7.5% range, so I'll say 30,000. Okay, so name is Balkrishna, net amount to be paid is this, which is correct. Okay, so let me run this again. So I'll say name, my brother's name. Okay, and I'll keep the price between 1000 to 25,000, so I'll keep 10,000. So 10,000 you get 5% discount, which is going to be minus 500, so you get 9500. Okay, so now I'm going to do this alternate code, okay, where I calculate the net price. Okay, I don't need the net amount now. Okay, I calculate this net price and save it this in the data member. Okay, so calculate method is calculating the way it was, but saving this net amount calculated price minus discount amount into this data member, and then this data member is being printed here in display. Okay, and we are not calling this calculate method anywhere. Okay, this was being called here. Okay, now since this calculate is happening separately where you are saving this amount in this net price, we call calculate in eshop dot calculate. Okay, so this function is called from the main. So net price is calculated and saved, and display then displays the net price. Okay, so Java C, Java, same case, Balkrishna, okay, and 30,000, 27750 again, yes, and 10,000. Correct. So you see we get the same output. Okay, but in this case we are taking extra data member. Now it does not say that you cannot take any extra data member here. Okay, they are defining their data member and methods that you need. Okay, so as long as you are having another private data member, it should be okay. But again, you would want to stick very strictly to the requirements. Okay, and that's why, okay, I have this original first method where we call calculate in display. Okay, and we don't call calculate here. Okay, so clear, compile, run, and say ammo. Okay, and I'll keep the discount above 15% now. So okay, this is the amount to be paid. Okay, so this was the solution to this problem, and I hope this was helpful. So please let me know in the comments if you have any doubts or anything which was not clear to you in this video, and other questions of ICSE 2024 Computer Applications Specimen Paper I will solve and upload soon. The links to those videos will be in the description of this video. You can check it out, and I will also add the link for the code of the solution in the description of the video. You can check that out as well. So please let me know your thoughts about this video, and you can always let me know in the comments if there's a question you want me to solve or if there's a concept you want to discuss. Thank you.